How to log out of ElevenLabs application. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. If you're trying to log out or sign out of ElevenLabs, then the process is quite easy, so let's jump in. Open up the ElevenLabs application on your device, and once you're inside the homepage, go to the profile icon at the top right corner. In the expanded menu, scroll all the way down and look for the Log Out button, which will be located right above the Delete Account button. Tap on it, and you'll be signed out or logged out of ElevenLabs application using your smartphone. If you want to log back in later, just enter your email and password or use any other login options at the bottom and get back to your account. That is how it's done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.